If you're considering using Pexels Analytics for your social media management, you probably want to know what sets it apart from other tools and whether it's the right fit for your business. In this video, we'll break down 12 key things you need to know before buying Pexels Analytics. First, Pexels Analytics offers a streamlined user interface that's intuitive, making it easy for users to get started quickly. It's not overloaded with features, but it provides just the right tools for tracking performance across different social media platforms, saving you time on the setup. Next, one of the key advantages of Pexels over competitors is its powerful analytics dashboard. It provides a comprehensive overview of engagement metrics, audience insights, and growth trends, but it's especially effective when comparing performance across platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. If you're used to something like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, you'll find Pexels simpler to navigate while still being feature-packed. The third thing to consider is how Pexels Analytics offers real-time data, which can help you adjust your strategies instantly. Unlike many competitors that may have slight delays, Pexels updates its metrics continuously, allowing for quicker response times to engagement spikes or drops. Next, Pexels also provides automated reports, saving you hours of manual data compilation. These reports can be customized by platform or metric, which is great for teams that need tailored insights. This is something that sets it apart from some of the more rigid options in the market. The fifth thing worth noting is the pricing. Pexels offers competitive pricing compared to tools like Buffer or Social Bakers. While those platforms might offer more advanced features, Pexels provides an affordable option without sacrificing crucial functionalities. Next, if you're managing multiple accounts, Pexels excels in this area. You can easily monitor and switch between accounts, making it ideal for businesses or agencies that handle several clients. Some competitors struggle with multi-account management, but Pexels makes it seamless. Moving on, Pexels Analytics comes with integrated scheduling tools, which are helpful if you're planning posts in advance. However, unlike other platforms like Later or Planoly, the scheduling feature is not as advanced, so if you need deep post automation, Pexels might not be your best bet. The eighth thing to know is that Pexels has a solid mobile app. While it may not offer all of the features available on the desktop version, it provides a convenient way to monitor analytics and manage posts on the go, something that many competitors lack or don't do as well. Next up, while Pexels offers solid customer support, it might not be as extensive as what you get with platforms like Sprout Social, which has 24/7 live support. Pexels does offer email and chat support, but it can sometimes take a bit longer to get the answers you need. The 10th thing to keep in mind is the limited integrations with third-party apps. While Pexels integrates with major platforms like Google Analytics and Shopify, it doesn't have the same wide range of integrations as other tools like SocialBee or AgriPulse. Next, Pexels offers data visualization options that help you track your performance over time. These graphs are great for understanding trends, but might feel too basic for users who need advanced analytics or customization options. The 12th thing to mention is that Pexels Analytics has a free trial. This gives you a risk-free opportunity to test out the software, but it's worth noting that the full features are only available on the paid plans. Still, the free version is useful for small businesses or individuals just starting out. In conclusion, Pexels Analytics is a solid choice for businesses looking for an easy-to-use, affordable tool with real-time insights and automated reports. It may lack the deep customizability or integrations of larger platforms, but for most small to medium-sized businesses, it offers everything you need to manage social media analytics effectively. However, if you're looking for a more robust solution, check out our recommended platform, which offers a free trial so you can test it out for yourself.